Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, a catapult on an aircraft carrier can launch a jet at 180 miles an hour over a distance of 300 feet. So we have our final velocity and we have our displacement. So we need to figure out how many G's this plane and its pilot are going to experience over this distance. So to do that first, we're going to convert these to more friendly units. We're going to convert our velocity to meters per second and our displacement to meters. So let's just multiply this out. We have 1,609 meters for 1 mile, and we have 3,600 seconds in 1 hour, and this will give us 80.45 meters per second. And for displacement, 1 meter is equal to, sorry, that shouldn't have put that equal sign there. Let's erase that. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So now calculate this. It comes up to 91.46 meters. Okay, so as far as finding the acceleration, first we're going to want to know what our average velocity is. And the average velocity can be expressed as the average between the final and initial velocity for constant acceleration. We do have constant acceleration here. So we know that our initial velocity is actually 0, so we can ignore this, and we're just going to have our final velocity divided by 2, which is 40.23 meters per second. So knowing our average velocity and knowing our distance, we can figure out the time it takes for this jet to launch. Time is equal to distance over velocity. Distance, or our delta x displacement, is going to be 91.46 meters. And our velocity, or average velocity, is 40.23 meters per second. This comes out to 2.27 seconds. And now I can figure out our actual acceleration using our final velocity and the time. Just scroll down here. So our acceleration is going to be equal to our final velocity over our time. And our final velocity, as you might recall, is 80.45 meters per second. And our time, 2.27 seconds. And this comes out to 35.39 meters per second squared. But we don't want to express this in terms of meters per second squared. We want to express this in terms of G's. So we're all aware that a G, acceleration due to gravity, is 9.80 meters per second squared. So what we want to do is just divide this by the value of G, and we'll get an answer expressed in terms of numbers of G's. So let's just do that. 35.39 divided by 9.80. This is meters per second squared. This is meters per second squared. This cancels with this. So we're left with just a straight number. And that would be 3.57 Gs.